So when you get a diesel heater and you're looking for cheaper ways to run it, and the idea of a black diesel comes up, don't do it. That's what the inside looks like after 50% used engine oil and 50% diesel mix. It is well gunked up. No wonder it stopped working last year and was giving me error codes. So it's getting a bit late now. I'm going to make a move home and finish this off tomorrow. And we will see if this has put any power into the battery, because there's no sun whatsoever at the moment, so I wouldn't expect it to put any power in. I'll come back tomorrow. Happy with what I've got done though.